Hello, my name is Jason Fulford. I am testing our TK40 for operation today. We've already got the pump primed out, the concrete's here. We're going to be building a stem wall today. I've got the pump on. I'm going to show you the pump running right now and we're going to start going. This is our stem wall that we're working on today. We've got it hooked up, the hose line, to a tractor to move it. And we're going to get started right now. All set to go. We're going to get this job done. We've got successful operation. Have a great day.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. To continue seeing more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can just go right here on this link to our website, liveequipment.com, for a complete list of equipment available for sale. Or just keep navigating to our channel. Have a great day.